Make a great choice today with the 2017 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.